Welcome back, everybody. It's Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa, and this video obviously is going to be about Carpro release. Now, this is a new product. It is out for sale now from Carpro US. In a few more weeks, it should be available from a few other retailers, along with Darkside. These two have not released yet. I don't know the date for those, but keep an eye out on Carpro US. I'll let you know. Anyways, Carpro release. So this is an interesting new product. This isn't going to be popular with everybody, but it's going to be good for people that install coatings often. And, you know, if you're a DIYer that just likes to do everything possible, then definitely going to be something you might like. So release, it says right here, short-term protection for ceramic coatings, post-coating and pre-delivery. Protects against bugs and moisture, quick and easy to apply. It can be used as a standalone quick detailer. If we look at the instructions here, test on inconspicuous area before use, yeah, blah, blah. Shake well, spray release over the surface, spread evenly on the microfiber towel, use a second towel to give it a final buff. So easy on, easy off. So release, this is a wax-based product, and it may contain, you know, polymers as well. I don't know the exact blend, but this does not contain, as far as I know, this does not contain any silica in it. So you're probably asking, you know, what's the point of release when these other products exist? So if you're using C-Quartz Light or C-Quartz UK, you can apply reload over the top of it, because those coatings are not very slick on their own. You apply reload onto the top to let them cure according to the instructions, and then you have a nice slick surface to protect them during that 1 week curing time. Now, C-Quartz SIC, and then C-Quartz Professional and Finest Reserve, which are professional only coatings, those are slicker than Reload, Elixir, and Echo. So applying one of these over the top is going to reduce the slickness of that. Also, the solvents that are in the solvents that kind of suspend the SiO2 can interfere with those coatings curing. So because this doesn't contain that, this is safe to use. Now, you do still have to follow the instructions. I believe you have to wait 4 hours before you apply this. But the purpose of this is so you can get that car out of your shop, or if it's your own personal car, you can go ahead and drive it. You don't got to worry about the rain or bugs or anything like that. Because normally the Carpro coatings, you got to at least leave them for 1 day before you take them out to drive. This way, you leave it there for 4 hours, apply this, it can be on its way. It's safe to drive in the rain and, you know, what other elements there may be. This can also be used as a quick detailer, so if you have a coated car, it's got some dust on it, you can go ahead and use this. This isn't going to be highly hydrophobic, as far as I know. However, with the idea of this, it's not a long-term, it's short-term, so it'll give you about a week or so of protection. Once you wash the car with Reset's strong enough, it's going to pull this right off the surface, and you're going to be left with your coating underneath. So that is the purpose of it. This is just supposed to be a sacrificial layer for the coating to cure, because this is gas permeable, it doesn't interfere with the coating curing, and then after your first wash, this will be gone and you'll have the great performance of your coating. So now that we got that out of the way, pretty straightforward. We're going to do a demonstration on my car. My car is coated with a base layer of C-Quartz UK and then a top layer of SIC. It's been that way for about 18 months now. And obviously after it's fully cured, you can use Reload later on down the road if you want to, because that slickness does wear off. But we're going to see how release is for application, how easy it is to apply. And also, Carpro now is using these trigger sprayers. These are reminiscent of their older ones. I'm assuming due to supply issues, that's why they went to this. But, you know, we're back to the adjustable spray pattern instead of just the on and off like that came on these ones. This was their second trigger iteration, I believe, where these are just on-off sprayers, which these are pretty nice. They spray a nice fine mist. But they're back to the adjustable spray pattern. So let's get over to the car and we'll see how this works. Okay, so I have driven my car in the rain. It's a little dirty. The coating helps it keep from getting really nasty like most cars would. And it was light rain. It was nothing heavy. So you can see kind of, if you got an eye for it, you can see some dust and everything here. So again, this can be used as a quick detailer. So we're going to demonstrate that and how easy it is to apply. So adjust the sprayer to, you know, however you want it. And I didn't shake it up. But yeah, definitely shake it up. All right. And then it should just be very simple. Smells good. It's got a nice citrus scent to it, so that's good. So wipe it in. And yeah, I mean, it wasn't that dirty. So I'm flip to a dry side or grab a second towel and buff it off. Now I can tell you, this definitely feels like a wax surface. It's definitely more grabby than the coating. So you don't have that nice, slick, smooth coating feel. But this will be, going away because now it's completely dry. It does feel slick, but it's not as slick as up here where there is none of the product. So it does reduce the slickness a little bit. But again, it'll wash right away. But it smells really great, easy to use, non-streaking. You leave it like that until you're ready to wash the car, and when you wash it, it'll come right off. So it's as simple as that. I mean, there's not a whole lot to this product. Anyways, let's go in for the final thoughts. All right, so Carpro release. Pretty straightforward product, smells great, easy to use. So for those of you that apply Carpro coatings, mainly C-Quartz SIC, I know I do, especially for mobile detailers that don't have their own place to store a vehicle overnight, or if the client doesn't have a garage, as long as you have good weather that day, you can go ahead and apply this onto it. And after, let it sit for 4 hours to cure, of course, or not fully cure, but wait 4 hours, go ahead and apply this, and then you're good to go. You can tell the client, hey, you're good to drive it, leave it parked outside, whatever you want to do. Everything's good. Tell them don't wash it for a week, yada, yada, yada. But I can definitely see this being popular professionals. For the DIY crowd, maybe not so much. But yeah, so again, reload's only for C-Quartz Light and C-Quartz UK. Release is for the other coatings, which is only C-Quartz SIC for the consumer market. But that's all I got for you guys. Check out the links below if you're interested in this or any other products. I'll have everything linked underneath. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know your thoughts below. But until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Keep them clean and have a good one.